In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Eraser tool on Tradingview. Tradingview is an incredibly powerful platform for charting, analyzing, and annotating all kinds of financial data. Whether you're a trader, an investor, or just exploring financial markets, understanding how to use its tools effectively can make a huge difference in your experience. Today, we're focusing on the Eraser tool, a handy feature for cleaning up freehand annotations on your charts. If you're new to Tradingview or haven't yet explored all its features, you're in the right place. And if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by opening Tradingview in your browser. This is the platform where the Eraser tool is located, so make sure to head there first. Once it's open, log into your Tradingview account. Logging in is important because it ensures any changes or actions you take are saved, and it also gives you full access to all the tools the platform has to offer. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your chart. This is where you'll find the toolbar. From this toolbar, locate and select the brush tool. The brush tool is what allows you to make freehand marks on your chart. These marks are essential for this tutorial because we'll need something visible to erase later. Once you've selected the brush tool, go ahead and draw any shape, squiggle, or pattern directly on your chart. It doesn't have to be precise, just something noticeable. This step is simply setting the stage for using the Eraser tool. Next, shift your attention to the top right of your Tradingview interface. Look for the tool area near your profile icon. This is where you'll find the Eraser tool. Click on the tool located under your profile icon to open a submenu. From this submenu, locate and select the Eraser tool. The Eraser tool is specifically designed to remove freehand marks and annotations, so it's perfect for cleaning up the drawings you just made. Now, with the Eraser tool selected, click on the part of the chart where you made your drawing. This action will instantly erase the mark. It's that simple. If you've made multiple drawings, you can repeat this process for each one. Just click on the areas where you want those freehand marks removed. Here's an important note to keep in mind. The Eraser tool only works on freehand drawings made with the brush tool. It doesn't affect other types of chart objects like shapes, text boxes, or indicators, so if something doesn't erase right away, double check to make sure it's an actual brush drawing you're trying to remove. And that's it. By following these steps, you now know how to access and use the Eraser tool on Tradingview. It's a straightforward but valuable feature, especially when you're making a lot of annotations on your charts and need to tidy things up quickly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.